So I'm in the Mediterranean right now, and we're taking a little coastal walk, hike, except for we're in the bush right now, so not much ocean or sea to see, but no, it's really great. It's also not summer, so it's not going to be the nicest, you know, blue sky, 30-degree plus weather or anything like that, but I mean, it's great. Just got through like a seven-hour drive from where we are to get here, and we're staying the week here at my exchange student's grandmother's place and cousins, and we're just spending the whole week exploring the Mediterranean coast. It's really great. Alright, so here we are coming down to one of the hundreds of beaches that we've already passed. As I've said, it's not the nicest weather, but it's okay. A little steep there. Oh, dang. Changing hands. I don't know if I should put my weight on that. And the sand! What a beautiful day. And deep in the bush right now, all alone. Only thing we got with us for survival is our brains. I don't know how we're gonna make it. I'm gonna have to pee on myself and look for some bugs. Here we are, the African burrowing worm. That's gonna be our lunch for today. No problem, easy. My name is Nick Grills, and I'm signing out.